Looking to maximize your tiny apartment space? Check out our latest video where we showcase 10 amazing Amazon household gadgets that are perfect for small living. From clever storage solutions to multifunctional tools, these gadgets will help you make the most of every inch. Don't miss out on these must-haves for your cozy home. Number 1. Looking for an easy and efficient way to preserve your food? The Bonita Electric Mason Jar Vacuum Sealer has you covered. With powerful Night 80 kPa suction and a long-lasting 2,000 mAh battery, it seals jars quickly in just 15 to 35 seconds with a simple one-click operation. This compact and portable sealer is compatible with both regular and wide-mouth jars and comes with 10 lids, a lid opener, and USB-C charging for added convenience. Made from durable ABS plastic and food-grade silicone, it helps lock in the flavor, nutrients, and freshness of your food. Perfect for preserving jams, sauces, or marinating meats. Whether you're storing or sealing your favorite foods, this vacuum sealer is a must-have tool in your kitchen. Number 2. The Rubot Smart Air Purifier PJ10 is a fantastic choice, especially for large spaces up to 1,600 square feet. What I love most is how simple it is to use. With the PJ Rubot app or voice commands via Alexa and Google Assistant, you can easily control fan speeds, set timers, and even get filter change reminders. Its advanced filter is incredible, capturing 99.97% of particles as small as 0.3 microns, dust, pollen, you name it. Plus, with a CADR of 450 millicuries per hour, it purifies the air super quickly. You've got 6 fan speeds, an auto mode that adjusts to air quality, and a timer you can set for 2, 4, or 8 hours. Sleep mode is a real highlight. It's whisper quiet at just 24 decibels with no bright lights to disturb you. I also love the real-time air quality monitoring. Number 3, I've been using the Joseph folding tabletop ironing board, and it's perfect for small spaces. The foldable design saves so much room, and the built-in iron holder keeps everything neat. The hanging hook is super handy for easy storage, and the drip lock cover works great with steam irons. Number 4, I recently tried the 60-watt portable washing machine, and it's honestly a game changer for small loads like baby clothes, socks, and underwear. The 15-ealer foldable design is super convenient, perfect for tight spaces, travel, or even camping. What I love is how easy it is to use. It has 3 cleaning modes and a 360-degree washing system that cleans thoroughly with just one click. Plus, it's made from durable, food-grade ABS materials, so it's safe and gentle on delicate fabrics. Number 5. I recently tried the Tabic 35 odds dehumidifier, and I'm really impressed. It removes up to 16 ounces of moisture daily while using less than 1 kilowatt hours, making it super energy efficient. The 35 odds tank is transparent, so you can easily see when it's filling up, and it even shuts off automatically with a red light alert when full. What I love most is how quiet it is, just 28 dB, and the 7-color ambient light adds a nice touch to any room. Plus, it's compact and portable, perfect for bedrooms, bathrooms, RVs, or closets. If you're looking for a reliable and space-saving way to tackle humidity, this is definitely worth considering. Number 6, I recently got the Hitzion silicone bamboo couch cup holder tray, and it's such a handy addition to my space. Made from durable food-grade silicone and bamboo, it's not only waterproof but also super stable with non-slip pads. No more worrying about spills. The 11.5 by 10 by 3-inch size is perfect for keeping drinks, snacks, remotes, and more all in one place. Plus, the 360-degree rotating phone holder is a game changer for movie nights or video calls. It's lightweight and portable, making it great for couches, beds, cars, or even camping. Number 7. If you're looking to add style and storage to your bathroom, the Gizun over-the-toilet storage cabinet is a fantastic choice. With 32.3 inches of clearance, it fits most toilets and features a 2-door cabinet with an adjustable shelf for flexible organization. Made from durable waterproof wood, it's both sturdy and easy to clean, plus it includes anti-tip fittings for added safety. The modern design blends seamlessly into any space, and assembly takes less than 30 minutes. Perfect for toiletries, towels, and even a touch of decor. Practical, elegant, and space-saving. Number 8. I recently tried this 1.2-pound handheld vacuum, and it's fantastic. With a powerful 14,000 PA brushless motor, it easily tackles dust, pet hair, and debris. The 2 suction modes are super handy, and it gives you up to 30 minutes of runtime, recharging in just 3.5 to 4 hours with USB-C. What I love is the 2-in-1 tool. It's perfect for tight spaces and pet messes, and the LED light makes cleaning in dark corners a breeze. Plus, it's super quiet at just 65 dB, and the washable filters are a great bonus. Compact, cordless, and so easy to use. It's a must-have for home and car cleaning. Number 9, I recently tried the Asakuki 500ml Essential Oil Diffuser, and it's fantastic. It has a generous water tank, 7 beautiful LED color options, and multiple mist settings. Plus, the auto shut-off feature is a great safety touch. What I love most is how quiet it is. At just 23 dB, you can barely hear it, making it perfect for relaxing. The remote control is super handy for adjusting mist, light, and timers from across the room. Made with BPA-free materials, it's safe for kids and pets and works well in any space. Honestly, it's a stylish, practical addition to any home and a thoughtful gift idea. Number 10. Let me tell you about the Maxyoyo folding sofa bed. It's the perfect combo of comfort and practicality, especially for small spaces. It works as both a cozy sofa and a bed, with a headrest and lumbar pillow that provide amazing support. The shredded foam filling molds to your body for personalized comfort, and the durable corded fabric gives it a sleek, stylish look. At 33.5 by 74.8 inches, it's just the right size for one person. Plus, it comes vacuum sealed for eco-friendly shipping. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more amazing content. See you in the next video.